What to do, YouTube? It's Jaren again here, man. Back with another video. Got another install. I guess mod, change, update, whatever the case, whatever you want to call it, because we're upgrading our side mirror caps. Now, I have the black Optus package on my RS5, and I like it. I really do. I really do. I really think it makes that turbo blue pop. But I'm a carbon fiber guy, man. So we're definitely gonna change everything that we possibly can to carbon fiber with this car. And so this is one of the many things. We already changed the diffuser. We're gonna do this install. It should be fairly simple. So without further ado, let me show you the before and after, and I'll show you the before, and then hopefully you guys can stick around so you can see the after, man. So definitely stay tuned. We gotta put this bad boy on. Okay, first things first, guys. We're gonna have to take this piece off and use this side like that. Do the same thing over here. I don't want to break the bottom of this. We're gonna just try to pull it out, so hopefully we don't break anything, right? As usual. And we're good. And make sure you take this wire out, this section right here. First of all, let's take these out. Black and blue at the top, red and black on the bottom. So let's not forget that. And then these wires, like I said earlier, you pinch them as hard as possible, apparently. At least you know your car is built properly. You know, so when every time I keep saying it's hard to get out, it makes me feel kind of good sometimes. So what you need is you're gonna need a Torx screw to take the rest out. So I'm gonna unscrew these three sections right here. So I think it's here. Oh, this might be too big. It is. T15s is what these are. So we're gonna need T10s. And we won't be able to take this out unless we have T10s. This is the smallest side I had. So, let me see if I can focus that. I ended up having to go get a T10 instead. So, now that we got the T10, let's get down to work. So you'll have to take out 3 screws. The sun moved, and I also moved my car. So we're gonna have to see what parts do we take out of here. All right, so we took those 2 screws out. So there's one right here, and there's one right here. I don't know if there are any more screws that need to be removed. So what I'm gonna do is just gonna remove the one that looks similar to the rest of them and put it in the same location as before. Okay, now we're gonna try to pop that open. Shoot. Huh. I don't see any other screw that could potentially be in the way. Be careful when you do stuff like this. All right, so I think it is another screw that have the unlock. So let's see if we could just take that out and we'll be on our merry way. You know, these B9s and B9.5, so different. RS and S's are so different, but everybody wants to say they're the same, and I just can't for the life of me understand why everybody thinks they're the same. So let's see if that makes a difference, or if I'm still gonna cut myself again. So guys, I ended up just pulling it from the bottom. It was stuck in, so I was like, okay, it wasn't working the way I was doing it, so I pulled it from the bottom, gently, with leverage. Again, the L word, leverage, and ended up coming right out. So we're just gonna take this off. There's a plug here, hopefully. So this is for the lane departure warning. I want to see if we could get this out of it, but it didn't give us any space at all. There you go. So this is what it looks like. Gotta get that piece out, and then we'll be cooking with Crisco. I think we could just pop this out of here, but they don't pay me to think. They actually do, but that's a topic for another day. So this is the new one. We're gonna pop this in. you know, the fit is actually not bad. At least it snaps in. It's not like super, super, super flush, but I mean, at this point, is it protected? Yes. Is it that bad? Is it really bad at all? No, not really. So let's put this on my thingamajigger. Put that wire back on like such. Put this cap on where it's supposed to be. Or maybe we're supposed to put it on with this. Maybe that's how that works. You know, maybe I should try doing it like that. Should I try to connect it first? I didn't even think about how it would be putting this back on. Thought it'd be pretty simple since everything's open and bare, but I guess not. There we go. I don't know how I did it, but I did it. Fit, like I said, is not going to be super perfect. It's like a lip here. Replace the power mechanism. Once you do that, you should be able to put this back inside the metal area. Wipe with a microfiber towel. And we should be good to go. Super, super clean. Alright guys, all in all, I'm pretty satisfied with this finish. Like I said, it could be perfect, but when you modify your car, everything's not going to be perfect. And I think that compared to the diffuser, this is a lot more easy to stomach, I guess. So in terms of fitment, I bought it off eBay and it fit like what, 95, 90%, I would say 95, 95%. You know what I'm saying? Like it's just the lip. Like it's just potentially too big, but like a 5%. But all in all, it's just another aesthetic upgrade. There'll be a lot more carbon fiber added to the car, and so just doing the side mirrors are pretty simple, pretty good. I'm gonna get a front lip and a side skirt soon. Whatever I could do with the accents, so like the fake grills or whatever the case may be for the other things in the car are to be determined, but this is just the start, of course. So thank you guys for tuning in. If you guys need any help or have any more questions, definitely ask me in the comments. Please like and subscribe. That really helps the page. I know I haven't been making videos as often as I should have, but we're working on doing that now so that you guys can get authentic RS5 content. So as much as we Google RS5 stuff, I really don't see much online that I feel like you can with the S5. And granted, it's cheaper, so there's a lot more people own one and are able to do upgrades and mods on it. But ongoing problem for us, and I'm trying to solve it. So hope you guys tune into the next one. Thank you guys for tuning in. Peace.